To lock apps on your Redmi 14C with App Lock, go to the main screen of your Redmi and find the settings icon. This is a gray icon with a gear. Scroll down until you see the Apps section. Click on it. In this section, click on Manage Apps. Here you will see all installed applications. On the top you can find the App Lock. Tap on it and press the Turn On button to activate it. You will be asked to set a password for protecting applications. Enter the password you have chosen once again to confirm it and tap Next. On the Xiaomi account setup screen, click Not Now if you don't want to bind an account to recover your password. Now you need to choose the apps that you want to block. For example, click the button next to YouTube or Gallery to block these apps. Now you have the possibility to unlock with fingerprint. If you want to enable this feature, click on Settings and follow the instructions. If you don't need it, just click on Cancel. To make sure everything works, try opening one of the blocked apps like Gallery. Make sure the system asks for a password. Now you know how to protect your applications on Redmi 14C. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put a like.